Yes, this speech was really focused, of course, on this COVID-19 pandemic, and it had been framed that way even before this speech. This was a celebration of the United States Independence Day, but also the United States independence from COVID-19. And on the subject of the pandemic, there are really three themes. One was hope. Hope because there has been progress, because people are getting vaccinated, even though the White House has not reached its goal of getting at least one shot into the arms of 70% of adult Americans. They're very close to it, 67%, but it's not there just yet. But things are getting better. The numbers are looking good. But there was also caution. That was the other big theme of Joe Biden's speech on COVID-19. He cautioned about the arrival of this Delta variant, which now counts for about a quarter of the new cases in the United States. And that's why he insisted that people who have not yet been vaccinated need to be vaccinated. And that is a very important message from the President of the United States, because right now, most of Americans who actually wanted to get vaccinated have gotten that vaccine. Right now, they're trying to focus and to convince the people who don't really want to get vaccinated or who want to wait a little bit. And so Joe Biden's message was, don't wait. This Delta variant is coming. It is here, and you need to do the patriotic thing. Those were his words, and get vaccinated. There was also a moment of grief, as you mentioned, the number of deaths from COVID-19. He said that the United States must remember all the people that we've lost throughout this pandemic. We must never forget them. And he also had a thought for all the other people who died during this pandemic, but not necessarily from the pandemic. So this was really heavy on COVID-19, but it was also a message of unity for all Americans. We heard him speak about this is not for Democrats or for Republicans. We are one nation. We are the United States. And when the United States are together, when they work together, they can beat anything. And that was really the hopeful message that Joe Biden continues to give to Americans, something that he did throughout his campaign, and he continues now that he's in the White House.